Hi, Steve McGarvey here from Advertising Beacons. We're going to have a look at how easy it is to create a coupon or an offer, a redeemable offer, in the Advertising Beacon portal. So if we click on coupon here, and we have some information that I've put on one side, so we can do this quite quickly. Here we go. So we're going to select an image. This is going to come from, let's have a desktop screenshot. There we are. Alright, Gusto. This is a new restaurant in Durham. And we're going to have another look at, let's just have a look here. An offer that they're going to be running in September. A free bottle of wine, and you can see that preview is up here. So, title of the coupon or title of the offer. Let's have a look here. Free bottle of wine in September at Gusto. Let's pop that straight in there. There it is. Okay, some details about the offer. Here we go. Click on the green button below to redeem this offer at Gusto, 32 Back Silver Street, Durham, DH1 3RD. Then click the call button to make your reservation. Redeem code, what shall we put in? That's 1234, but it's not going to be that, of course. And this is going to give the client the opportunity to get information, create a list. But we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to say name and email. Obviously the offer is for September. So let's put it all the way through to September. And I think they should at 10 o'clock. Alright. Let's go back to the address. Pop that in. Phone number. There we go. Now the website is under construction, so we're going to pop in their Facebook page, which is Gusto Durham, and you can have a look on there at the menu. It looks fabulous, and we are going to have a quick look and just add it. So this is going to be attached to their 300-meter beacon, which is going to be pumping out that message throughout Durham. So let's go and have a little look at what it looks like. It's not going to be great because it's on a computer and not on a mobile, but not to worry. So click on the green button to redeem. So let's just go ahead and try and do that. So let's redeem the offer. Oh, right, so it wants my name. No, okay. System works. Email Steve at advertisingbeacons.co.uk. So now we're going to hit the redeem button, and we're going to get a message: free bottle of wine in September at Gusto. Show the QR code below to the merchant and keep this page open until you get a confirmation. So what you could actually do is take a screenshot of that with your phone and show it to them when you're actually in the restaurant redeeming. So that is how to create a coupon, a redeemable offer within the Advertising Beacons new portal. So I think that's the third one, is it? See you in the fourth.